Now, this is how you can view the Excel on the iPhone. If you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and you'll never miss anything important. So whenever you go to your files and notice that, yeah, you do have an Excel file stored in there. For example, I have you can see some books. It's called book, but when I click on the get info, you're going to notice that it's either a numbers spreadsheet, or you can see it is the Office open spreadsheet, meaning that it's in the Excel file. So how can you open it? Well, you need to use some sort of software to open it up, right? So when I click on it, it moves me directly into the Microsoft Excel application. So if you don't have it, you can download it from the App Store. Literally type in Excel and you will be able to get it for free. The free version of the Office includes the reading only of documents, so you should be able to open it even without a paid subscription. But as you can see inside of the Files app, when I hold down on it like this, I can not only just tap it to open with whichever app I have available, but I can also decide which app I'm going to open it with. So if I click on open with, you can see Excel as default, as we noticed when I tapped on it, but then there are also other apps. For example, the numbers, which is the Apple's equivalent of the spreadsheet app. So if you have that available, this is freely available as well. You can download that and you can use the numbers, get inside and kind of like import the Office spreadsheet into the Apple Numbers app, which is also for editing the spreadsheets, right? So that's how you can basically do this, but it doesn't end, right? You can still hold down on it, and instead of clicking open with, you're going to click on share, and from the available apps, you can pick another app, and this time we also have the Google Sheets available, which is yet another spreadsheet app, this time developed by Google, and you can as well import your Office into the Google Sheets app, right? So you can as well use yet another app to edit your Office or the Excel document. So I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. I'm going to wrap it up and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.